guys, my name is Hannah Brock and today we're going to be making a creamy guacamole. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 2 ripened avocados, 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, some fresh cilantro, 1/2 of a red onion chopped, 2 to 3 limes juiced, then we have queso fresco for an optional topping, and salt and pepper to taste. This dish, I would say, is heavily inspired by foods that I grew up with living in South Texas, which is called Tex-Mex or Tejano-influenced Mexican cuisine. It's characterized by dishes like quesadillas, barbacoa, nachos, and even the use of some ingredients like cumin and wheat flour. Needless to say, it is my ultimate comfort food. So starting off, we already have 1 avocado pitted and put in our mixing bowl. I just wanted to show a quick way to pit avocados if you have not done so yet. So I just cut this one lengthwise all around, and see, we still have the pit in there. So what you're going to do is give a confident whack to that pit and a twist, and just using your thumb, push it off of the knife. So what you might not know about avocados is they have what we call good fats, and those fats are associated with lower levels of cholesterol. They also are a great source of dietary fiber, which is also contributed to lower levels of cholesterol, but also lower blood sugar and the prevention of some forms of cancer like colon cancer. We're going to give these a quick mash and put some lime juice on them as well to prevent them from browning. Okay, so next we're going to add our plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt like this is a great source of protein and probiotics, which can aid in digestion. Also, if you are vegetarian like me, it is a great way to naturally get vitamin B12 in your diet. Perfect, so now we're going to add our chopped red onion. This is not only going to add flavor, but it's also going to add more texture to our dip. So I'm just going to gently fold that into our mixture. Now, going to take our cilantro, and this is already washed. I'm going to take a good handful of some leaves, they look pretty healthy, and we're going to group them up and chop them. We're also going to fold this into our mixture, like so. So now, before we add our toppings of queso fresco and cilantro, we're going to do a final seasoning. So I'm just going to roll these 2 limes of mine just to make them easier to juice. Slice them in half like so. Do a nice squeeze just to brighten it up and prevent it from browning. This line. And then a good 5-finger sprinkle of both salt and pepper. Now for our toppings, we're going to do a generous sprinkle of queso fresco, as well as some fresh cilantro. Well, there you have it, a lighter version of a classic guacamole. So let's give it a try with some corn tortilla chips. Okay. That's pretty bomb. Yum, that's good. Well, I hope you try this yourself and experiment with the hometown flavor of Tex-Mex. Until next time, adios y'all.